launch has been announced by DJI. Is it something for us all to be excited about? Let's take a look. Hey everyone and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel you will find a range of content focused on drones and tech, from the latest drone news to tech how-to videos and some fun live streams. If this is your thing, consider subscribing. We're a small, growing channel and your support is hugely appreciated. Okay, it is that time again. We're getting close to a new DJI product taking its first steps out into the world, and therefore we have a new teaser from DJI to give us a hint at what might be coming. First of all, let's take a look at the tweet from DJI to see what we can see. The teaser picture is clearly titled Instant Clarity, Superior Accuracy. The first tell point to show us what this product could be is who sent the tweet. DJI Enterprise rather than the main DJI global account. This automatically discounts the hope of this being a consumer-driven product and makes it more likely to be a commercial-grade device or service. As usual with a DJI release, there are a few hints within the picture as to what the product might be, with some obscure angles and buttons which could mean anything. To me, the important factors in this teaser are the title and the event logo included at the top of the teaser. Intergeo 2020 was going to be an event in Berlin, Germany to bring together the world of geo innovations, from drones, intelligent cities, digital mapping and more. As with so many other events in 2020, the event is now going to be hosted online. This is certainly the kind of event that you would expect the Enterprise section of DJI to be very interested in. Bringing everything together and looking at the recent leaks and rumours which have surrounded DJI, with everything from a Mavic Mini 2 or an FPV drone to the upcoming gimbal releases, it would appear this launch could be a wireless video transmitter. This would fit in with the title of the teaser, but then so would a new mapping tool, especially when you factor in the event the launch will happen within. What are your thoughts on this teaser? Do you think we'll see any more consumer products coming out of DJI in 2020? Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate hearing your thoughts and love interacting with you guys down there. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.